Hi guys, today we will see some technology news rather than stock market updates because stock market is not moving anywhere. It is just range bound for quite some time. So probably we will shift our focus towards technology related news and we will have some defense related news this week rather than share market views. So we will see what are the key technology news that is available for today. First thing is there was a successful trial taken for Airtel 5G in Gurgaon, and the maximum speed that it reached is 1 Gbps. That is the maximum download speed. After Indian government has put a ban on these Chinese Huawei, now there is new collaboration with Ericsson and indigenous technologies that is being developed in India right now. So if you see Airtel is working with Ericsson and Jio is working on indigenous technology. And Airtel has a spectrum band from 3500 megahertz. Then they have 28 gigahertz and 700 megahertz. Wherein if you see Reliance and Vodafone, they have 700 megahertz, 3.5 gigahertz and 26 gigahertz band. So this is one of the very good news. And maximum testing time frame given by DOT is 6 months. This 6 months, within this period of 6 months, they have to buy their equipments. They have to fit it. They have to prove the technology they have, then only this 5G implementation or the rollout will start. The next important news is whenever there is a technology news, there couldn't be a news without WhatsApp group. WhatsApp is now started to make a lot of fun. We will see what are those funds they are making. They have started to tell government is trying to watch what each and every one of us are doing. This is not only they are blaming on Indian government, they are blaming on Brazil, US, and UK, all the nations. Basically, if you chat with any person on a business WhatsApp, for example, if I chat with a mobile seller who is registered as a seller in WhatsApp, how do I see similar Apple related ads on my Facebook? Whenever I open my Instagram app, how do I see those related ads that is going? Then what is the encryption and privacy that Facebook is talking about? Are they not making fun? If government wants some data, they are not ready to give, but if they want to share some data between their companies, they are ready to share. Then is this the encrypted chat? Facebook has to have some kind of a thought process before saying anything. What is the policy update that they gave recently? And what is that update they are asking us to click on accept? People should be aware of what Facebooks and these technology apps are doing. They are actually trying to steal our data. See, no one can give anything free of cost. If someone is giving you free of cost, there is obviously they are taking something from you. The people's data is the most valuable thing that each and every company and country requires. So these people steal our data and they give it or sell it to the others. So this is exactly what is happening. But they are telling they are encrypted, they don't share any data, which is all full of fun and comedy. Now, if you see Tesla is again, I have nothing to tell about what this Elon Musk is trying to do. He is just blindly playing games with the Bitcoin. Initially, when it was trading down, he told you can buy cars using Bitcoins. Bitcoin payments will be accepted by Tesla. Then the Bitcoin values got increased. Suddenly, he told he didn't mean that he started to crash the Bitcoin market. Again today, he is sending a tweet saying that they will be accepting the Bitcoin payments when mining shifts to a clean energy. I think he wants to exit out of Bitcoin. Still, he has some Bitcoins, so people will start to pull market up, so he can sell it at the top and he can exit out. People like Elon Musk has to be brought under some kind of a surveillance. What actually they are doing and how they are making money. Cheating people and making money is not the way of earning money in life. Finally, we got a good news with respect to Paytm. Paytm has now announced that we can book vaccines on Paytm app. We can now check which is the nearby facility where we can get both Covaxin and Covishield injections, and the availability of the injection, everything can be found in the Paytm app. So we can book the appointment, we can go take the injections directly. This is one of the very good initiatives taken by Paytm. Finally, some good news for PUBG fans. Battleground Mobile India is now launching on 18th of this month. Then one interesting news which I came across, though it is not a technology news, I prefer to share it. Maybe we can consider this as the share market update for the day. Equity mutual fund has now witnessed a beautiful inflow of money of 10,000 crores, which is the highest since March 2020. OnePlus has making a lot of fun post the co-founder has left that particular organization. Now they are thinking about bringing mobiles with Snapdragon 480 processors. I have no idea how many people are going to buy those Snapdragon 480 processors, which is completely outdated. Maybe if they bring it for some 2,000, 3,000 bucks, maybe people would be interested. And I also read many newses related to a lot of software bugs which came in OnePlus in the recent update and even in their top variant of 9 plus series. And many people are also selling those 9 plus series which they have in the second hand market, and they are replacing with other models. So now OnePlus is going to have a big dip in the market. So we have to wait and watch how OnePlus is going to perform as its co-founder has also exit from the company. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like these contents, do hit on the like button. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, do hit on the subscribe and do share it to your friends if you find these videos useful. Thank you.